It's fair to say that the most common wall covering system used today is drywall. Now, most of the time we just install it without even thinking about it. But is it the best solution, or is there a wall system that can be installed faster and more easily? Well, that's where Trusscore Wall&CeilingBoard comes in. It's extremely lightweight, cost-effective, and far more user-friendly than drywall. In fact, it's so fast and so do-it-yourself friendly that we're going to compare the installation time of drywall versus Trusscore Wall&CeilingBoard. Let's get started. We're going to cover two identical 8x10 rooms, one with drywall and one with Trusscore Wall&CeilingBoard. Drywall's heavy and it's awkward to work with, and sometimes requires two people for ceiling installs. Trusscore panels, on the other hand, are light and easy to work with, and one person can manage with no problem. To fasten both products, you simply screw them into place, but the similarity ends there. With drywall, you then need to begin the long and messy process of taping, mudding, waiting for it to dry, followed by more taping, more mudding, more waiting for it to dry, then finally you sand, prime, and 2 coats of paint. That's a lot of steps. If you're a homeowner, that means there'll be 3 to 4 days of contractors in and out of your home. Not to mention the mess and the waste. And the price tag that comes along with all the work is hefty. If you're doing a job yourself, you're investing a lot of work and time. Trusscore is a different story. You screw in the tongue and groove panels, and ta-da, you're done. No fuss, no muss, no taping, no mudding, no sanding or painting required. Most jobs can be completed in one day, and you have a bright, water-resistant, abuse-resistant, and low-maintenance wall. And as you can see, Trusscore is much easier to handle. There really is no comparison. You know what they say, time is money. With Trusscore covering your walls, you got more money in the bank.